Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a short tutorial of how to create your own personalized doormat. Oh, there goes Fiona, she's saying hello. Alright, so here we go. We have an 18 by 13 inch mat. We have our heat press. We're going to be using some freezer paper, guys. Yes, freezer paper. And listen, we're going to cut that out on our Cricut, and this is what it looks like. It's very tedious, guys. I'm telling you, this is no joke, but this is what it looks like. Why do I have an easy press? I use my easy press to press the freezer paper on this. Yes, I know this tutorial is not long enough, but I'll be having an upcoming video and full tutorial of this next year. So yes, next year. So here we go. This is some Flexi Seal, guys. This is what I'm going to be using to create my design. I don't know if I say that right, but yeah, I spray the Flexi Seal over that instead of using paint. It's rubber, it lasts longer. I'm telling you, the customers, they are loving these type of thing, and this is what my mat look like once I spray the Flexi Seal and I remove the freezer paper. I remove it before it got dry. So okay, so that's what I do, and this is what my mat turned out to look like. And I have a few more. Like, these are like, they're going like hot. They're hot on my market. So here we go. So like I said again, guys, I'm gonna have a full tutorial of how I do this. Nothing short. I just want to share with you guys very short here how I do it, because I have this in my phone and I want to share something with you guys. I know I miss you guys so much because I haven't been posting like I usually do. Here's some other ones that I've made, and believe it or not, someone of my family member told me this look like it's made by a factory. I said, you kidding me? Yes, it's made by Shayna's Home DIY and Craft Factory, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out.